When someone sends a horse to me for training, it's a big commitment. Sometimes they just come in for a month or two to work a specific problem or a specific situation. But sometimes horses come in for long term to be trained as a cow horse or reining horse, and those horses could be in training for 2 to even 3 years, depending on what our goals are for that horse. And that's a big commitment for owners, and I realize that that's a big commitment. And because of that, what I do when a horse comes in for training, whatever the training fee is at that time when the horse comes, that fee is locked in for the whole term that I have that horse in for training. If I have a price increase when that horse is in, the price does not change on that horse that's already in training. I realize that it's a big commitment for the owner to send it, and I'm not going to raise the price in the middle. In January, I'll be having a price increase. Any horse that I have in training before that price increase, that fee is locked in. I have one training slot left in December, and any horse that comes in for that slot in December will get to keep that training price for the term that I have the horse. So if you're considering sending a horse for training, you might want to get with me and book that one December slot that I have left, so that the training fee will be locked in for the term that I have that horse.